Truthfulness. Here we are presenting a scene of classroom. Where is teacher? It is distributing midterm papers.
Hello.
Teacher.
Good morning, students. How are you all?
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay, sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
I hope you all must be eagerly waiting for your midterm result. So, students, whoever scored less than 18 marks has to reappear for the exam and has to write down these questions twice in notebook.
Dear friend, I have not attempted repeating the blank. Can you tell me the answer so I get my marks increased?
Yes, you can copy from the answer sheet so you don't have to prepare for the exam.
Ma'am, so you have made a mistake. You cannot check this repeating the blank.
Oh, sorry, you are right. So, your marks are increased by 3 and it is 18 now.
So I don't have to prepare for the exam, right?
So,
ma'am?
yes, absolutely.
Madam, you have given me the marks by mistake and I don't deserve. Oh, let me check.
Oh, let me check. Earlier you have scored 19, but now it's 17. Sorry, my child. You have to reappear for the exam. What inspired you to come here and get your marks decreased?
Madam, I believe in honesty and truthfulness. I don't want to do anything which I don't deserve. You have given me the marks by mistake, so I came to you.
Okay, that's good. Please sit down. Dear students, today taught us a good lesson of honesty. Please clap for him.
Oh, come on, girl. This month by mistake, ma'am gave you 19 marks and you got it. But you deserve 17. Now you have to reappear for the exam. Why should you do such a stupid act?
Len promised you get 15 marks and he promised the partner. Now he get 18, now he don't have to prepare for the exam.
Loser, 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 loser.
My dear student friend, cheating is not smartness. Cheating can help for some time. But if you don't ask question, you should be in dunya and akhirah. You should be honest and truthfulness.
No, you are wrong, my friend. You can never be successful on honesty. But honesty and truthfulness, ज़माने के साथ चलो और आगे बढ़ो मेरी तरह.
Please try to understand. You want to be successful. You work on the path of the honesty. Please come back, be honest.
Let's see who will in the future. You work on your honesty path and I will enjoy my life and be more successful than you.
Now next day to solve his problem sums. किधर जा रहे? Teacher.
Good morning, students. How are you all?
I am fine, teacher.
Okay, sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Are you still struggling with your homework?
Yes, I am not getting these sums.
I was also not getting those sums, but I copied from my partner. She is very good.
No thanks. I am really understand
Okay.
from these sums.
Don't be foolish, my friend.
Alima.
Present, ma'am.
Ikra.
Present, ma'am.
Tuba.
Present, ma'am.
Umra. Rohan. Tahir.
Let's make sure I quiet with you. You ask question, you will be fooled for some time. But if you don't ask question, you will be fooled forward by your cheating, your cheat sheet. You fall for a teacher for a day, but you are cheating yourself all the whole life.
No, it's not cheating, it's madness. But you will not understand this. If you will not do it right now, then you have write 2 times in your notebook.
I am prefer write 2 times rather than copy.
Let's see. Let me try to explain in simple words. The main incomplete homework is either you copy it or do it by yourself. But the real smartness is to copy and complete instead writing 2 times in your notebook.
Maybe you are eco-friendly, but I am so afraid to say you're wasting your time and paper too.
and I will enjoy my free time and serving paper too. And I am eco-friendly smart too.
Maybe you are eco-friendly, but I am so afraid to say that you're the bring education. The bring honesty is the real smartness. Is the real in all we have multiple options, but the real smartness is to choose honesty. A lost only honesty will give you success and respect, and I think this is the real smartness.
Do whatever you want.
Now, finally, the most difficult day of the year arrived. That is examination in a day. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, students. How are you all?
I am fine, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm distributing you question paper. Write first and read question paper carefully. Sit down, students.
Thank you, ma'am.
And all the best, students.
All the
The
best.
best.
You, that guy, stand up. What's going on? What's your name? If I find you copy again, then I'll cancel your paper and suspend you for a month.
Sorry, teacher.
Even after warning, start cheating again.
I told you not to copy again. Give me your sheet.
Madam, but I don't copy. You can ask him.
Ma'am, I don't know anything. I was doing my work.
Hey, don't tell a lie.
I don't want to send anything. Give me my paper.
Madam, but I don't copy. Madam, let me complete. Give me my paper.
I don't want to listen to anything. Leave the class right now.
Madam, I have done.
Excellent, Alima. Very good.
Good too. Now finally the most difficult day of the year arrived. That is result meeting in the principal office.
See, Mr. Atif, he is a hardworking and honest student. He has brought a good name to our school by securing the first rank. We are very lucky to have him in our school. Look at the report card. She was not so good when he joined the school, and his attitude also become positive nowadays. All the credit for this goes to you and all the teachers of this school. You also deserve this honor, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.
I am the mother of Ikra. Good morning. I was waiting for you only. Please come, Mrs. Feria. Your daughter has been cheating the examination. She is the only child who has failed from our school. Look at the report card. I am really feeling bad.
Yeah.
I am really feeling bad and I wish to talk to him. Sure, Mrs. Feria, please go ahead. Now, my daughter, listen to me. What happened to you in all results? You scored well and made us proud, but not this time. And tried to cheat and eventually failed. How I will. My relative and my friend, they all are waiting for your result. Shame on you.
Today I have realized how wrong I had been and how to do my dear friend Alima was. He chose the path of honesty and truthfulness. truthfulness, even though he faced so many difficulties and trials. Whereas I wanted to succeed in a faster way. It seemed easy, but it difficulties on this path. It feel easy. It feel easy, but it empty at the end. So my dear friend, always choose honesty. You may some difficulties on this path, but I sure you will have a strong structure. So my dear friend, always choose honesty when you have multiple options.